Hi guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create mobile-friendly emails in Brevo so that your campaigns look great and perform well on every device, especially smartphones, where most users check their inbox. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down below in the description. You will also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. To create mobile-friendly emails, first log into your Brevo account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, move to the left side menu and click on the Marketing tab. This will expand into options like campaigns, landing pages, forms, statistics, and templates. By default, the campaigns page will open, showing you all of your existing email campaigns. But to create a new campaign, click on the Create Campaign button there in the top right corner of your screen. Do you see it? Perfect. Now, a new setup page will appear showing you 4 options: email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Now, since we're creating a mobile-friendly email, we'll focus on the email option. Click on Email to continue. Now, on the next screen, you will see 2 tabs, Regular and A/B Test. Let's choose Regular for this tutorial. Under the Regular tab, enter your campaign name, select tags if needed, and assign a folder. And of course, then click on the Create Campaign button. Now that your campaign has been created, you'll be taken to the main setup screen where all of the essential sections need to be completed before sending your email. Starting from the top, you will see the Sender section, which shows the email address that your campaign will be sent from. This should be already confirmed. Next, move down to the Recipient section, click on the Add Recipients button, and select your desired contact list or segments. Now, once you've added your recipients, continue to the Subject section. Click on Add Subject to write your subject line and the preview text that your subscribers will see in their inbox. A clear and concise subject line helps improve your open rates, especially on mobile where space is limited. After completing the subject, move to the Design section to create your email content. Click on Start Designing. Another page will open with all of your saved templates. You can choose a pre-designed template or create a new one from scratch using the drag and drop editor. For this tutorial, let's choose a pre-built template. Choose your desired layout, then click on the Use Template option. Once you do, you'll be taken to the Design Editor page. Inside of this editor, you will see 3 tabs on the left: Blocks, Sections, and Saved, and your email layout on the right. The Blocks panel is where you'll find elements like text, image, and button blocks. Since we're designing for mobile, the first thing you should do is switch the view to mobile mode. At the top of the editor, you'll see 2 icons, one for desktop mode, one for mobile mode. Click on mobile mode to switch the view. Now, this is going to help you design and preview your email specifically for mobile screens. Now, start adding your content. Drag a title block into the layout to create a headline. Then add text blocks for your message and image blocks for visuals. Keep in mind that mobile emails work best when everything is arranged in a single column layout. This ensures your content displays properly on smaller screens and avoids side scrolling. When choosing fonts, go for large, clear styles that are easy to read on mobile. Something around 14 or 16 points for body text and 20 to 24 points for headings. Also, use high contrast colors so text stands out clearly against the background. If you include images, make sure they are set to auto width in the settings panel on the right. Key, that's very important. This ensures that they resize automatically to fit mobile screens without breaking the entire layout. Avoid using very large or heavy images that could take time to load on mobile networks. Next, add a button block for your main call to action. Drag it into your email where you want users to take action. For example, shop now or learn more. Click inside the button to edit the text, and then in the settings panel, paste the link where you want it to open. Keep the button big, centered, and easy to tap with a finger. Ideally, the button should have a minimum height of 40 pixels, so it's comfortable to click on smaller screens. Continue adjusting your email content and layout. Make sure there's enough white space between sections to avoid clutter. Short paragraphs and clear calls to action work best on mobile since users often skim through emails rather quickly. Once your design looks ready, click the Preview and Test button at the top. Now, this step is very important. I cannot stress this enough because it lets you see how your email will look on different devices. On the preview screen, click on the mobile phone icon to switch to mobile view. Review the layout carefully and check that text, images, and buttons appear properly aligned and easy to read. And if anything looks off, for example, text overlaps or images look too large, go back to the editor and make adjustments until the design looks balanced and responsive. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on the Save and Quit button in the top right corner. This will take you back to your campaign setup. From here, you can personalize your campaign in the additional settings section if needed. And once that is done, click on the Schedule button to send your campaign right away, or you can schedule it for a later time. Well, that's it. That's how you easily create a mobile-friendly email in Brevo using the drag and drop editor. Following these steps will ensure that your emails look professional and perform well across all screen sizes. And don't forget, if you want to take your email marketing even further, check out the link in the description. You'll get 50% off of the starter and the business plans for your first 3 months. And you'll get access to our complete Brevo course that walks you through every feature step by step. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.